Hi, I'm Connor Saffergan, Precision Farming Specialist for the Red Power Team. Today we're sitting in an AFS Connect Magnum, and we're going to be going over a general overview of the Pro 1200 display. To turn the display on, we'll put the key in the second detent and wait for it to boot up. Once our display is booted up, we always come by default on a new key cycle to our run screen 1. Down at the bottom of our screen here, we have our run screens, all of which are totally user configurable. We can change all the options on these run screens and even our left-hand area to match what the operator wants. To the right of that, we have our notifications box. If we tap that, we'll see that we're in road mode because we're in park, and different notifications pertaining to the tractor. On the top bar, on the farthest right, we have our guidance and gauge button. If we're outside, we have a clear view of all the satellites, and we're ready to engage on guidance. We can tap that engage from there, or we can tap the auto engagement button in the top left-hand corner of the multifunction handle. To the left of that, we have our operations tab. We can select our grower, farm, field, task, and implement from this screen. To the left of that, we have our menu card. Inside of our menu, we can configure different things such as the tractor, the implement, our guidance, take a look at our activations, and do data imports and exports. To the left of our menu is our operations button. We can take a broad look at the tractor and all of its sensors and functions. To the left of that, we have our user window, where we can change our user profiles. In the center here, we have our time and date. If we press and hold on that icon, we can also take a screenshot of what's currently on the display. To the left of that, we have a question mark, which is our manuals button. In here, we can find the preloaded manuals for the tractor and the Pro 1200 display. To the left of that, we have our applications button. This is where we can come in and set our phone up, look at the screenshots that we've taken, configure our radio, as well as do over-the-air updates, and allow our technicians to remote into the display. To the left of that, we have our connections. This is going to take a broad look at our telematics, what our PCM is doing. To the left of that is our GNSS button. From here, we can look at our accuracy and our correction setup. To the left of our GNSS button is our work status mode indicator. When the arrow is up, we are not recording or mapping. When the arrow is down in green and we have blue discs next to it, we are actively recording what the implement or tractor is doing. To the left of that, we have our status warnings and fault indicators. Right now we have a active fault for fuel warning low. We can see that as the active fault. On the left hand side of the screen, we have configurable windows or UDWs on the left hand side. This has been a broad overview of the Pro 1200 display and its layout. For more helpful videos, go to the Red Power Team YouTube page. Thank you.